This is the second time in my life that I am this late for a flight. The boarding starts at 5:40. दुख दुख हो रहा है मेरे को. I have done my check-in already. I use the DigiYatra app and I'm hoping that the DigiYatra line is going to be very short. मैं late हूँ from parent standard, but मैं late नहीं हूँ, so it's okay. और मैं किसकी वजह से लेट हुई हूँ? इस लड़की ने लास्ट मिनट पे पैकिंग करी है. Guys on baby. हमने बाल खोल लिए, हम सुंदर लग रहे हैं. हमारी बहन ने बाल भी धोए थे आज,
लेकिन बाल छुड़ाए नहीं है.
तू क्या बात कर रही है? मैंने कंघी नहीं करी 2 दिन से. It's day 1 of Girls in Goa. In the morning, I had a glass of milk for breakfast because आज महाशिवरात्रि है. And then we had some pool time. And now we are dressed and gotten ready. Sushmita actually came from Mumbai. She had a theatre show also the previous day. And that's the reason why she joined us late. And Mohina lives in Delhi with our mum. I live in Noida with my husband. And at this time we were just planning what exactly the trip is about. क्या क्या करेंगे, कहाँ कहाँ पे जाएंगे, ऑल ऑफ दैट. हम लड़कियाँ जितना वियर्ड चीज़ें कर सकते थे हम सब कर रहे हैं. आई एम फास्टिंग. दीज गर्ल्स आर हैविंग पकौड़े इन गोवा. मैडम क्या है आपके मन में कि आप पकौड़े खा रही हैं गोवा में? समथिंग नॉट टू मिस. On the day 3, we visited this really beautiful Portuguese town in Goa, which is called Fountain House. All of the houses here are very beautifully curated, and this whole area looks like a magical land. And I visited one of my favorite restaurants there, which is called DTR, and we had an amazing lunch there. We are at AJ's right now. It's on Tito Lane. Again, one of my favorites. Vibe is good, food is good. And अभी Fountain House से वापस आके we were doing some shopping. और मैंने बड़े अच्छे इयरिंग्स लिए. So these are the earrings that I have purchased, and because bargaining guru Sushmita Mehta was with me, ये उसे 600 के बोले थे और उसने 650 के बोले थे और 400 के दिए हैं. एंड आई थिंक साड़ी के साथ सूट के साथ बहुत अच्छे लगेंगे. प्लस मोहिना थोड़ी देर के लिए अलग गई थी एंड शी बॉट अ कुर्ती फॉर हर सेल्फ. अभी वो हमें बैठ के यहाँ पे दिखा रही थी एंड अ लेडी जस्ट केम अप टू अस एंड शी ऑल्सो वॉन्टेड द सेम कुर्ती. हम लोगों ने थोड़ा रास्ता समझाने की कोशिश करी बट हमें लगा यार फिरंगी है, बेचारे को लूट लेगा दुकान वाला. सो मोहिना हैज एक्चुअली गॉन विद हर टू हेल्प हर बाय दैट कुर्ती. एंड उस समय शॉपिंग करते टाइम सुष्मिता मैडम ने अपना एक ईयरिंग खो दिया और इस समय ये मैडम उसी का आई शो यू हम आपदा कॉस्टर में बदलेंगे और इसका मांग टीका बना के पहन लेंगे. तो अब हमने चुनरी वाइब्स कर दिए हैं यहाँ पर. ओके, हियर्स अ क्विज फॉर यू. आई एम अ डिज्नी प्रिंसेस and I cannot stay outside of my home beyond midnight. If you know the answer, type in the comments and I will tell you in a while why exactly I asked this riddle. Okay, so it's 11 PM. दोनों लड़कियाँ गई हैं पार्टी करने और मेरा तो नहीं हो पाएगा आज बिकॉज 2 दिन लगातार नहीं हो सकता है. Let's talk about that in a while. A lot of people ask about my skincare routine, so बता देती हूँ. This is the cream that I use. This is Emollient. This is my moisturizer. I am not using any retinol today. रीज़न बीइंग ऑलरेडी सन एक्सपोजर बहुत ज़्यादा है यहाँ पे. दैट ऑल्सो मेक्स योर स्किन मोर प्रोन टू सन डैमेज. मॉइस्चराइज किया, micellar water to remove everything, then the face wash, Cetaphil is what I use, and Vaseline of course. Now let's talk about the reason why I did not go for party. Every night you are not sleeping in sync with your circadian rhythm. It takes about 11 days to recover from that. सन के साथ में हमारा बॉडी अलाइन होता है and after the sunset, about 3 to 4 hours after the sunset, our body needs to start repair and the process takes about 3 to 4 hours. और उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो रही हैं. There are on the muscle level, on the brain level, on the eye level, everything repairs when you sleep in sync with the sun. But जब आप वो चीज़ नहीं करते हो, this is the reason why when you don't sleep well, next day your eyes are red, you can't focus, you can't remember the things, your hunger signals are all over the place. So yeah, एक रात हो गया कल. I did not want to do that today itself, today also. That's why I did not go. I'll be sleeping now. So Shubhita and Moina were visiting the South Goa for the first time, so they were definitely very excited. But for me also, I think it's the favorite place that I've ever visited. The calm vibe of South Goa just keeps attracting me again and again. And fun fact, I was in South Goa just 2 months back, and I was really happy when we made this trip. Immediately after settling in, we went to the Kolva beach, and where we found this magical thing that somebody had done. It was so gorgeous that we just kept looking at it. After coming out of the beach, we were just exploring the market, and where we found this very cute little shop. The owner of the shop is Tina Gudimani.
वही थैंक यू इनको वही मैं बोल रही हूँ उनको नहीं फिर भी वो बोल रहे हैं ये ज़्यादा शॉपिंग कर रही है फिर भी
बहुत ज़्यादा शॉपिंग करी है सच में. And she herself has designed a lot of the jewelry that she is selling. She creates jewelry also, and we picked up so many pieces from her. Again, a very sweet person. This piece is handmade by Tina, and I'm going to cherish this for the rest of my life. Day 5 started with a workout. My Airbnb had a gym. काफ़ी काम चला सा था, but ठीक है. As I said, काम चल गया. And I try to work out as much as I can. Not very regular, I'm not a gym fanatic, but I try to work out regularly. I work out in sync with my period cycle, and right now it was follicular phase, and I did not want to miss the energy of rising hormones. And in fact, in my She Sync program, I also teach exactly how other girls can apply the same concept. Then I posted the YouTube video about fixing trauma so that you can build discipline. It's already up on my YouTube channel, you can go and watch it.
इसलिए तो बोल रही थी कुकर में बना लेते हैं.
हाँ जी मैडम, बताइए जरा क्या किया आपने.
हमारे पास कोई माइक्रोवेव सेफ प्लेट नहीं थी, तो इसलिए हमने खाली बाउल को रख दिया, और अब सारे के सारे पॉपकॉर्न जो वैसे फैल गए हैं, हमें क्या कर लेंगे. यहाँ पता प्लस पॉइंट क्या है, मिट्टी नहीं बैठी आया को मिट्टी.
While coming back from the beach, we found this cute little restaurant which was having a karaoke night, and we had some fun there.
हाय चूड़ी जो करने की हाथों में चूड़ी जो करने की हाथों में याद भी आपकी आने लगी है भीगी भीगी रातों में.
Day 6 started with a big time crisis in work, and that's actually the reality of having your own business. I think मैंने आज तक का जो सबसे बड़ा टेक्निकल पंगा फेस किया है वो मैं अभी सॉल्व करके आ रही हूँ. एंड व्हाट वाज द पंगा. सो क्या हुआ था कि जितने भी लोग मेरे ईमेल न्यूज़लेटर में हैं, जहाँ पे मैं अपने वीकली लर्निंग्स शेयर करती हूँ, कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो मैं यूट्यूब इंस्टाग्राम पे नहीं शेयर करना चाहती हूँ वो मैं वहाँ पे शेयर करती हूँ. देयर आर अबाउट 3000 पीपल. उनमें से कई लोगों के साथ में क्या हो रहा था, दैट माई ईमेल्स वर गोइंग इन देयर प्रमोशंस रादर देन देयर इनबॉक्स, जिसकी वजह से उनको मेरे ईमेल्स कभी कभी नहीं रिसीव हो पाते थे या फिर उनको मिलते नहीं थे. वो चीज़ ठीक करने का तरीका ये था दैट आई वाज सेंडिंग माई ईमेल्स थ्रू माई जीमेल अकाउंट, बट अगर मैं उसको कस्टम डोमेन से भेजती तो वो वाला प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता. दैट्स व्हाट माई ईमेल प्रोवाइडर विच इज द फ्लोडेस्क सॉफ्टवेयर, उन्होंने मुझे बताया. नाउ आई हैव अ कस्टम डोमेन. वो डोमेन मैं यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ. आई जस्ट पे गूगल टू यूज़ इट एज अ ड्राइव, जहाँ पे मेरे सारे के सारे कोर्सेज के एक्सेसेस रखे हुए हैं. शी सिंक, पेन फ्री पीरियड ट्रेनिंग, न्यू जॉब्स अकेडमी, ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स विच हैज़ अबाउट 560 GB डेटा. नाउ अगर मुझे वो ईमेल यूज़ करना था तो उसके लिए मुझे डोमेन चाहिए, क्योंकि उसके ऊपर ईमेल्स आते नहीं हैं बिकॉज इट डज नॉट हैव एनी डोमेन. तो the solution was that now I use some other domain, which also I have. So I have 3 domains for different aspects of my business. But नया domain मतलब मैं 2 जगह पे पैसे दूँ और मैं सारा का सारा डेटा ट्रांसफर करूँ, which is 560 GBs. और the current account that I'm using, it was expiring on Monday, which means I only had 1 day to decide कि मैं ये 560 GB डेटा कैसे ट्रांसफर करने वाली हूँ with the limited speed that I have here, with my tech ninja mind. I can call myself a tech ninja now क्योंकि मैंने बहुत बड़ा पंगा सॉल्व किया. Anyway, so I figured out that there is a way to keep using the existing Gmail account and yet change the domain name from Renourish with Manisha to dishthediet.in, which is my secondary domain. Now हम घूमने जा सकते हैं. We majorly spent the entire day inside because Goa is very hot during the daytime, and we were watching The Good Place, the show on Netflix, and in the evening we again headed out for the beach. You know, growing up I always used to feel that I'm a mountain person, but majorly in the last 3 years I have realized that I am more of a beach person. And the reason for that is that, let's be honest, life is tough in the mountains more than the beaches. So during the day I can accomplish whatever, I can do all the stuff that I want to do for my work, for my life, for, you know, the growth and all of those things. But at the same time, as the clock turns 5, I can be in front of this massive sea and this massive sunset and feel like a nobody. Basically have an identity crisis. Because what are we? Useless dots and blips on this massive universe. So whatever we do, it basically has no meaning. Beaches give me that combination, that sense of achievement, because internet अच्छे से चल जाता है, things are available very easily. Also, what kind of a person are you? Are you a beach person or a mountain person? Let me know in the comments. And why? I would love to know. I think we should have a chat about it. And after the sunset, it was dinner time, and I ordered this big bowl of vegetables to go with my meal so that I make up for the fiber and also reduce my blood sugar spike. Okay, so this is our last night, 3 of us together, because she will be leaving, and that's the reason why आज रात को अय्याशी होगी. We have found phantom cigarettes, so we are going to have some serious fun with these cigarettes and some serious discussions, serious talks. Join us. Day 7 was actually pretty boring and sad because this was the day when we were realizing that the trip is coming to an end. Sushmita left around 11 am because she had a show in Bhopal the next day, and it was Monday. I had a few meetings to attend where we were planning something amazing for our women community. In the evening, we walked from Kolva beach to the Betel Batim beach, and while on our way back, we stopped for some desserts and muttons. The last day in Goa is always bittersweet. I'm actually coming up with an offline workshop on 23rd March, and I was thinking that I'll shoot an intro video for that on the beach, but it sucked. When I started vlogging this trip, honestly I was skeptical who's gonna watch this. But now I'm just glad that I actually documented the one trip that I've taken with my sisters. Honestly, I feel our siblings are the ones who spend our entire life with us. And yes, despite the fact that life is taking us on different pathways, but still coming together, spending this time together was magical for me. And I hope that we keep doing this very regularly. And if you liked watching our experiences, let me know in the comments. But also, I would request you to take a trip with your siblings because I'm sure it's going to be magical for you as well.